Hi, we're Mark and Wendy, brokers at RE/MAX Escarpment. We're here today at our newest listing at 166 Catharine Street North in Hamilton.
Welcome to this fully renovated home. Wendy, check out the bottom. I'll go to the top. Thank you for visiting us today at 166 Catharine Street North in Hamilton.
If you would like to book a showing to view this beautiful home, or if you want to buy or sell in Hamilton, give us a call. We're Mark and Wendy. I can be reached at 905-902-9387.
I can be reached at 905-512-1846.